Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and charger compatibility. This matters because different models use different power specs. Next, examine the charger and cable for breaks. A faulty cable mimics a dead watch. Once done, plug into a known good outlet or power bank and use the correct magnetic puck. If there's no response, perform a force restart. Press and hold both side buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds until you see the Apple logo. That can revive firmware hangs. If the force restart didn't help, set the watch carefully on an Apple-certified charger so the magnets align. Misalignment prevents charging even if the cable looks fine. Leave it charging uninterrupted for 30 to 60 minutes. The watch may need time to draw enough current to boot. Look for a green bolt or red battery icon. Those are your status cues. If you still see nothing, prepare to connect to a computer with the correct cable and use Finder or iTunes for a deeper recovery attempt. Finally, if charging and restarts fail, attempt a recovery or DFU restore through Finder or iTunes. This reinstalls firmware and fixes corrupted system software. Make sure you follow prompts and keep the watch connected. Interruptions can brick the device. If the watch still stays dead, battery or internal power circuitry is likely faulty and needs replacement by Apple or a qualified technician. One key troubleshooting tip: if charging is intermittent, remove any case or screen film and clean both contacts. Dirt or misalignment often prevents proper charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.